Centrifuge Analytics is a 100% HTML5 browser-based product that provides visual data discovery, geospatial integration, and link analysis. This tool will simplify both your analyses of data and the integration of data from multiple sources. It does so by using advanced interactive visualizations, allowing investigators and analysts to integrate those data points into breakthroughs for different use cases. The software uses advanced link analysis, pattern matching, and geospatial integration to quantify these relationships as interactive visualizations, presented in the context of other dimensions of the data. It's no wonder Centrifuge is currently being used by 5 of the 6 largest intelligence agencies, including the FBI. Centrifuge Analytics is robust, with the ability to analyze big data from multiple data sources, avoiding traditional stovepipes. It's fast, with visualizations that can appear in seconds after search parameters have been entered by a user. Custom templates allow a user to easily submit searches against relevant data sources based on the user's interest and analytic needs. Templates can be used by an individual or across your enterprise. Since the software is accessed from your server or from an approved cloud environment, the only thing you need is a browser. It can also be installed on a laptop for times when a network connection is not available. Centrifuge is also flexible enough to evolve as missions change. Its open source architecture integrates quickly and easily with third-party and open source tools. Centrifuge can be integrated within existing DOJ authentication and authorization services. Its flexible access controls isolate and protect data across user groups and clearance levels while maintaining privacy and security. Browser-based and cloud-ready, Centrifuge is adaptable and well-positioned to work in conjunction with future technology advancements like machine learning and artificial intelligence. And with SDA's responsive training and deployment services, your investigators and analysts can become productive with the system in as little as 4 hours. The DC sniper terrorized the Washington, D.C. area over the course of 3 weeks in October 2002, resulting in 10 fatalities and 3 people wounded. Let's take a look at how Centrifuge Analytics' ability to aggregate, analyze, and visualize data could have been used to help investigators and analysts solve the case. In 2002, local police jurisdictions and federal authorities collected vehicle and license plate information around each of the shooting incidents. Analysts at the time had to analyze this information manually in Access databases and Excel spreadsheets. Using this same data, Centrifuge can project this information into an analyst dashboard that combines charts, link analysis, and geospatial views. Each of the shooting incidents is represented in the link chart as a node, surrounded by links to each of the individual license plates, and on the geospatial view based on latitude and longitude. In 2002, investigators were searching for a white van based on the information they had received. Using Centrifuge, when we go into the column charts and drill down into the column that is labeled white van, we see that a couple of vehicles were reported near multiple shooting incidents. When license plate data is projected onto the link charts and geospatial views, we see that the link chart shows the connectivity, and the geospatial view shows the locations, all clustered around a small area in Maryland. But these all turned out to be delivery vans just making their normal rounds. If instead we explored one of the most commonly reported vehicles, blue sedans, and we looked at the license plate with the highest number of reports, we immediately see a very different pattern. The suspect vehicle is reported 14 times, 13 times as a New Jersey plate and once as a Virginia plate, at 7 of the shooting incidents, and as the only license plate reported near the shooting incidents in both Maryland and Virginia. The orange halo shows the broadcast feature of Centrifuge that allows the same objects to be highlighted or filtered between views, providing a coordinated, holistic view. Now that we have identified the suspect vehicle, we can use Centrifuge's link-up capability to simulate performing a DMV check to get the VIN and, in turn, the history of ownership, including the current owner, who turned out to be John Allen Muhammad. Also using a link-up, we simulate checking John Allen Muhammad's arrest record across multiple states, which included a restraining order violation, assault, armed robbery, and an immigration violation, when he tried to get Lee Boyd Malvo over the Canadian border into the US. All the data was there. Investigators just needed better data collection and better analysis tools to get to a faster conclusion. This is one example of how Centrifuge could have been applied in the past. Today, Centrifuge is being applied to intelligence and DOJ missions